The ratio of ages of A, B, C 5 is to 4 is to 3. If B's age is 28 years, then find the sum of their ages. Here we can take B's age as 4x, which is equal to 28. Therefore x is equal to 28 divided by 4, that is equal to 7. And sum of ages, that will be 5 plus 4 plus 3, that is 12x, or 5x plus 4x plus 3x, that is 12x. That is the sum of the ages. And as x is equal to 7, the sum will be equal to 12 into 7, that is equal to 84.